Hi all, it's Charlie here. In this video we're going to be having a look at clocks and times in different time zones. Now the reason we're looking at this is recently I've been doing a lot of work in the Power Apps community, and on the forums a lot of the requests coming through is how do we use different timer controls and how do we display different time zones in one app. As you can see from this, we've got London, Los Angeles and Tokyo. I've got digital displays and I've also got a manual clock. So I'm going to talk you through this, and this will be uploaded to a Git repository where you can download and use this app. So what we actually have is a timer control. So as you can see, the timer control is hidden, but what I have is I have the on repeat and on start set to true, and I've got a duration of a second. So what this is doing is every second it is setting timer. Okay, so time is the text value is set to time in minutes, hours, minutes and seconds. But what you can see is if you go to the advanced property, you can see that on timer start I set time in seconds as a variable to now. Now my local time is UK time, so now would be London time. And then on timer end, what I do is I set a variable for each London, Los Angeles and Tokyo. So for example, Los Angeles is -8 hours of London UK time, whereas Tokyo is +8 hours. And before we do this, we add the same variable on the on-app start. So on the on-app start, we set the same variables. So as you can see, what happens then is as soon as this refreshes, every second it is refreshing that variable. All we're doing then is passing that variable into the label and displaying a digital time. Very simple, very easy to use. Now just to explain the SVG part, I've got the SVG from this link, but all we've done is for each hand passed in the variable. So for example, this one's the London clock, passing in the hours of the London variable, the minutes of the London variable and the seconds, and that is what's displaying our SVG in a timer control. Hope you found this useful. If you have any other tips or tricks that you need, or anything else you're struggling to do in Power Apps, please get in touch and I'll create a short video to show you how to do it. Thank you.